A very good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss the miscellaneous reaction of a chemical properties of a amine. This is the second category reaction. In that reaction, the first reaction is a reaction with a nitrous acid. With the help of a nitrous acid, we can differentiate between a primary, secondary and tertiary amine. This is a very important reaction कि नाइट्रस एसिड की हेल्प से हम प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी अमाइन में डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं whether this is a aliphatic or a aromatic. So how that reaction happen? See that nitrous acid, how we can obtain that nitrous acid? When sodium nitrite is react with HCl, it form a nitrous acid. The formula of nitrous acid is a HONO. How it is formed? That sodium nitrite is react with HCl to form a HNO2. It can be write like this: HONO plus NaCl is removed. This is a nitrous acid, and with the help of that nitrous acid we can differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे बेटा प्राइमरी अमाइन की. अगर हम प्राइमरी अमाइन की बात करें, आपको पता है कि प्राइमरी अमाइन, अगर हम एलिफेटिक और एरोमेटिक की बात करते हैं, पहले जो एलिफेटिक प्राइमरी अमाइन है, this is the aliphatic primary amine. That aliphatic primary amine is react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin to form a alcohol. R from here and OH from here join with each other to form a alcohol, and nitrogen gas plus H2O is removed. This is the nitrogen. Two nitrogen is there, one and one, and released in the form of a N2, and H2 and O released in the form of a water. That aliphatic amine react with nitrous acid to form a alcohol. Only aliphatic amine release nitrogen gas. No other class of a compound can release a nitrogen gas. If we are taking a aromatic amine, you know that reaction. In aromatic amine, we are taking a benzene ring, and this is a aniline. And when aniline react with a nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin, what is the name of that process? You know very well. This is a dezodization. Very good. When that aniline undergo a dezodization, what happens? What product is formed? Tell me. Yes, benzene diazonium chloride. Then benzene diazonium chloride and water is removed. By that nitrous acid, you can differentiate between प्राइमरी एलिफेटिक और एरोमेटिक अमाइन. वो आप प्राइमरी एलिफेटिक अमाइन को एरोमेटिक अमाइन से कैसे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो? अगर आ जाता है कि हाउ यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन अ एलिफेटिक अमाइन और अ एरोमेटिक अमाइन, तो कैसे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ नाइट्रस एसिड. हाउ दैट एलिफेटिक अमाइन रिएक्ट विद नाइट्रस एसिड टू फॉर्म अ अल्कोहल, बट एरोमेटिक अमाइन रिएक्ट विद नाइट्रस एसिड टू फॉर्म अ बेंजीन डाइजोनियम chloride. So different product are formed, and you can differentiate by that nitrous acid. The aliphatic amine is different from an aromatic amine because the product is different in both the cases. This is about the primary amine. Then we go towards the secondary amine. What happen in case of a secondary amine? Both aliphatic, whether a aromatic amine, react with the secondary amine to form a same product. This is a secondary amine. What its name? This is the diethyl amine. When it react with a nitrous acid, what happened? OH from here and H from here removed as a water. Then CH3, CH2 two times N. Then one more nitrogen is join with the oxygen with the help of a double bond. Then what compound is formed? This is a N-nitroso. N-nitroso क्या होता है? जब N दो N के साथ डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन जुड़ा होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ N-nitroso. Then this is a diethyl amine. It is available in the form of a yellow oil. And instead of a aliphatic secondary amine, if you are taking a aromatic secondary amine, This is the aromatic secondary amine. What its name? N-methyl aniline. When it is react with a nitrous acid, same H from this and OH from this removed in the form of a water, and same kind of a product is formed. Again N-nitroso. This is again a yellow oil solution is formed, and when you are adding these two solution, N-nitroso diethylamine or a N-nitroso N-methyl aniline in a aqueous NaOH, then it give a blue color solution. Further on dilution, it give a red color solution, and this reaction is also called a Lieberman-nitroso reaction. You can see clearly seen from its name, Lieberman-nitroso reaction. In that, nitroso product is formed, and this is a test for a secondary amine. Keep this thing in your mind. क्लियर है बेटा? अगर हम प्राइमरी अमाइन को सेकेंडरी अमाइन से कंपैरिजन करें तो प्राइमरी अमाइन तो नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट ही नहीं किया, और प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन ने क्या बनाया? डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड. बट सेकेंडरी अमाइन, चाहे वो एलिफेटिक है चाहे वो एरोमेटिक है, दोनों क्या बना रहा है? नाइट्रोसो प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है. अगर हम दोनों प्रोडक्ट को फर्दर aqueous NaOH solution डालते हैं तो it give a blue color. Further on dilution, if we are adding a more water in it, it give a red precipitate. So that reaction is called a Lieberman-nitroso reaction, and secondary amine is differentiate from a primary amine. तो दोनों differentiate हो गए, secondary और primary. क्यों? primary के product कुछ और है और secondary के product कुछ और हैं. तो आप nitrous acid की help से primary और secondary में differentiate कर पाए हो. ऐसे ही अब आप tertiary amine देखोगे. What happen in a tertiary amine? If you are taking a aliphatic tertiary amine, this is the example of a aliphatic tertiary amine. When it will react with a nitrous acid, what happen? H2 cannot be removed because H is not there, so they will combine with each other. CH3 CH2 3 times N के साथ क्या जुड़ जाएगा? H. N की वैलेंसी बढ़ गई, 3 ये जुड़े हुए, H एक ये, 4 वैलेंसी होगी तो N के ऊपर पॉजिटिव. अब कुछ पॉजिटिव है तो ये ONO कैसे? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ नाइट्राइट इसके साथ जुड़ जाएगा, तो इट फॉर्म अ ट्राई इथाइल अमोनियम नाइट्राइट, और दैट solution is soluble in a aqueous NaOH. But instead of a aliphatic tertiary amine, if you are taking a aromatic tertiary amine, this is a NN dimethyl aniline. When it will react with a nitrous acid, that group remain a same with the benzene, and H from this side and OH from this side removed in the form of a water, and that NO group join with the benzene ring. So again this is a nitroso group, and nitroso group is joined at a para position. This is a para position, so we can say para nitroso NN dimethyl aniline. A green color solution is formed. So this is a different in case of a tertiary amine. So with the help of a nitrous acid, you have seen clearly in that video, you can differentiate in a primary, secondary or tertiary amine with the help of a nitrous acid. एक बार रिपीट करा देती हूँ, अगर आप प्राइमरी की बात करते हो तो प्राइमरी एलिफेटिक एरोमेटिक को डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं नाइट्रस एसिड की हेल्प से. एलिफेटिक अल्कोहल बनाते हैं, एरोमेटिक डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड बनाते हैं. सेकेंडरी लिबरमैन नाइट्रोसो रिएक्शन देता है, चाहे वो एलिफेटिक है चाहे वो एरोमेटिक है, जिसमें दोनों ही फर्दर ब्लू कलर देते हैं, विद ऑन डाइल्यूशन दे गिव अ रेड कलर, और दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड अ लिबरमैन नाइट्रोसो रिएक्शन. But in a tertiary amine, aliphatic or aromatic amine form a different product. Aliphatic tertiary amine react with a nitrous acid to form a ammonium nitrite, but in a aromatic tertiary amine it form a para-nitroso compound. So by that reaction you can differentiate between a primary, secondary and tertiary amine, and that next miscellaneous reaction we will discuss in the next video.